Idler gear fitment. Install the idler gear. Main shaft fitment, on the crankcase. Place the washer. Reverse gear, with collar inside. Apply some oil. Main shaft dismantle. Use circlip plier. Remove the circlip. Remove ball spring retainer. Remove 2 springs. Tilt the shaft. Remove 2 balls from the main shaft. Remove all speed gears one by one. Lock the main shaft with a suitable tool. Use 13mm spanner. Loosen the stem. Rotate the stem clockwise. Remove the stem. Remove gear shifter bush. Remove the cross. Remove the shoulder ring. Use circlip plier. Remove the circlip. Main shaft assembly. Use circlip plier. Install the circlip. Install the shoulder ring. Install the cross. Install the bush gear shifter. Install the stem. Lock the main shaft with a suitable tool. Use 13mm spanner. Rotate the main shaft anti-clockwise. Tighten the stem. Apply the torque. Use suitable tool. Tap the tool for caulking. Install 4th speed gear, with collar facing upward. Install 3rd speed gear, with collar facing upward. Install 2nd speed gear, in any direction. Install first speed gear, with collar facing downward. Insert the balls, one by one, in 2 holes. Insert the springs, after the balls, one by one, in the same holes. Install retainer on shaft carefully, with internal projecting lug, matching corresponding slot, on the shaft. While pressing the retainer downward, press the springs, with a suitable tool. Make sure both the springs and retainer are seated properly. Use circlip plier. Install the circlip. Install main shaft. Make sure reverse gear lever slider is placed in the sleeve provided on RC gear. Apply some oil. Cluster gear fitment. Install the cluster gear.